Millions of people enjoy the feelings of pride and self-reliance when working in their yards with the help of small gas-powered engines. These engines power everything from lawnmowers, tillers and garden tractors to pressure washers, generators and snowblowers. Most of the metal parts in a gas engine are made of aluminum to keep them light. Here, 1,500-pound aluminum sows are melted in a furnace at a temperature of 1,450 degrees Fahrenheit. Once melted, the liquid aluminum will be added to a reservoir and fed to casting machines as required. In this case, the cylinder block of a gas engine is being cast. A robotic arm places a sleeve into the machine, and the cylinder block is cast over and around the sleeve. The component is quite rough after casting, and so it is moved into a trim press to trim the part. The crankshaft is made of cast iron. It's fitted into a crankshaft assembly and then dropped into the cylinder block and secured into place. The piston is installed in the cylinder that we saw earlier in the casting process. It's a tight fit and has to be rammed into the cylinder using a specially developed technique. The engine block is complete, and after a dollop of grease is sprayed onto the cam gear, the sump is fitted and sealed with a gasket to prevent any oil leaks. The head is cast in the same way that we saw the cylinder block being cast a little earlier. Tensioning springs will provide the correct pressure to control the opening of the inlet and exhaust valves, and the head is fitted to the cylinder block. Each time a valve opens, it lets a fuel and air mixture into the engine called intake, or expels burnt gases from the cylinder chamber called exhaust. In one of the final stages, the carburetor is fitted to the body. Air and fuel will be precisely mixed in the carburetor to provide the correct mixture to power the engine. The spark plug is screwed into position. It will receive a bolt of electric current several times each second and create an arc of electricity to ignite the fuel and cause the piston to move, the basis of the operation of a gas engine. Prior to testing, the engine gets a protective cover that keeps heat and moving parts out of reach of the user. The gas engine is completely assembled and moves into the testing section where it is started up for the first time. The computers verify that it meets quality standards before moving off the assembly line. Gas-powered engines help us complete projects we couldn't achieve without them. So whether it's mowing the grass or cleaning your home's exterior, there's a gas-powered engine to get the job done quickly and easily.